If you've ever been to a campground or a job site that just does not have cell phone coverage, well, these things come in handy. In fact, even in an area that has cell phone coverage, these things come in handy. These are your DEWALT walkie-talkie, which are completely dust-free and waterproof. Now, I got 6 of them because we have job sites all the time. We are always in remote areas out here on the East Coast that just doesn't have cell phone signals. But honestly, the secret to full-time RVing is put one of these in your wife's hand when you're backing up the RV, and and that's the secret, because when she talks, she can't yell. Well, I guess she can, but I'm like, I can't. So if you want to save your marriage, get one of these. Now the range on here is awesome. The range on here, I mean, I've never had any range issues, even when you're out on the boat, you're calling in from shore. Now, just like with anything, line of sight is going to be huge with these guys. So huge line of sight. If you're working inside a building, the walls can cause interference, but they know that. DEWALT programmed these specifically for working in buildings and construction sites, so that you're just going to have a lot of interference. And so if you see this right here, this is channel 2, but you have a bunch of different frequencies, sub-frequencies, we'll just call them sub-frequencies, that just eliminate those frequencies. Now, channels 8 to 14 is going to be what we call low band, and that's going to be saving you battery. If you're going to be using it all day and you're in a good range, so let's just say you're all working within proximity, 8 to 14 is going to save you battery life. If you need that extra range, get out of channels 8 to 14 and you have that extra range. If you're driving and you need that, you have a larger area, surface area that you need to cover. The other thing that it has is it has Vox. What Vox is voice on transmission. So you can, right here, you can actually plug a set of headphones in, have those in your ears at all times, or mic, and then you can just talk. It picks up your voice and it'll transmit, right? So if you're working, let's say like on a line, your hands are tied, you have this on your belt buckle, these in your ears, you can always be listening, you always be on, and you can join in the conversation or ask for things that you might need without actually removing your hands. So they basically thought of everything with these walkie-talkies right here. How many times have you gone to the lake, the ocean, whatever, you do not have a cell phone signal, or you just need to get a hold of somebody really quick onshore, offshore? This call button right here, so let's say you have one back at the campground and you're out playing around, this call button can say, hey, bring the boat in, we got some more people that want to go out, or hey, so-and-so just arrived. That's what we use them for a lot of the times when we're picking up and dropping off people all the time, want to talk back to base camp. So what I'm going to do right here, oh, and on the other side, belt clip. You can completely remove these if you don't want the belt clip feature, but I like the belt clip feature, so I always have them on. The belt clip, you can charge them with this charging base right here, and with the charging base, it comes with their own special charging cord. But let's just say for whatever reason you didn't bring the charging cord, or you're not close to the charging base. Well, guess what? You can actually charge these right here with USB-C. So whether you need 2 of these guys, or you need 6 of these guys, or you need 50 of these guys, they're all going to work, and you can just keep adding as you go. As your need increases, you can add more of these walkie-talkies to your group. Now let's put this to the test. We're going to go around to various different distances on the property, and we're going to see if we can actually call camp and where it kind of degrades, right? We're going to be on channel 2, so it's a high band or high transmission. And we're going to run around the property and say, hey, can you hear me here? Can you hear me here? And give you guys an idea of how far you can actually get with these things. So let's go do that. All right, so the first thing I want to show you is one of the actual use cases that I use all the time is right here when I'm out here fishing. You might be able to see the camper clear out in the background and in the distance. I can still see it. So I already know that you got range here, but this is a good thing that I always have on me because I don't have a good phone signal here. So when I get that it's time for dinner call, I know it's time to come in. Can you hear me?
10-4.
That's my daughter on the other end. She probably doesn't even know what 10-4 means, but hey, check that test number 1.
across the lake. All right, I am deep in this forest. This is thick trees right here. Not unlike maybe an outside job site, but I'm probably about a couple miles away from my trailer right now. If I was hiking or whatever, this is a beautiful hike, by the way. So I did actually come down here. I'm hiking. Now let's just check in. Do you still got me? I'm about 2 miles, 2.5 miles away.
Yep, I'm still here.
All right, now I'm out here on the edge of the property. Now I do have good line of sight back to my camp, but that's not one you can see over here. I can't see it. It's clear back into those trees where I am at. So I imagine it's gonna work and it's gonna work great here, but I'm just gonna show you, this is about 180 acres property out here. And I'm on the edge, camp's on the other side, and through the trees keep going. But I'm just right on the edge, and for me, this is as far as I usually get. Again, cell phone service is spotty at best. Now let's double check and see if we got range here. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Now, to be honest and fair, I don't get much interference with other people or around here, but
Where are you?
but you might, if you're in a more populated, congested areas, think beach or whatever, you might get that. But I am on the edge of the property out by the storage, RV storage area. So again, if you're in a congested area, you might get interference. And so what I do whenever that happens is you can just change the channel or just change the sub frequency right there. And again, I can't tell you guys, when we first started out full-time RVing, we just bought whatever was at the local store, right? And it was a no-name. We didn't know about it. And that lasted probably for us about 6 months. But unfortunately, it didn't last staying in the car because it got too hot and overheated. These are built for job tough, right? Now, I'm not going to say, bake them or freeze them, but they're built for those harsh environments, right? And so if you're a full-time RVer or you're a camping enthusiast or you run a crew and you're looking for these, I don't think you can go wrong with picking up a pair or 6 DEWALT walkie-talkies.